Okay, so hello everyone, I'm Marlo and welcome back to a video of mine. This is going to be a quick little trade recap of what did I do today. Newsflash, I didn't do shit. Why? Because I ended up not taking any trades today. Because, my strategy, what the fuck do I even have? My strategy did not present itself, or it did present itself, but it wasn't worth taking. So, yeah, I believe that this is way more important than actually taking a trade that I don't trust. So, yeah, I don't know, maybe it was like my consciousness or something. Like, I don't even know what the fuck I want to say. So let's go into these fucking charts. Bro, what the fuck do I even have? Am I drunk or what? I was not drinking, by the way. Maybe. Okay. So, yeah. Today, I wanted to be bearish on NASDAQ because we were like in a such a fucking bearish trend that I really wanted to see these lows being swept out. Well, they did get swept out, and look, so market just, let's rewind this shit. Well, market just opened. Why not? Let's replay it. Market opened. We swept this low resistance liquidity out on, not on both indices, only on Nasdaq. On ES, we just made. I don't even know if this was a 5-minute retrace. Oh yeah, it was a 5-minute retrace. I remember it now. And I wanted to take this trade when price broke structure to the downside. But we were like so fucking early into the market open, and I didn't really wanted to take this shit because I knew that this could just be volatility. We could end up sweeping these highs out and then go lower. So, like, first of all, my first trade idea would have been trash because, bro, just look at this. I mean, negative risk reward, this wouldn't even be worth taking, you know? On the second trade, when I saw that we swept these early lows out on NASDAQ, and we created a SMT divergence on ES because we were not able to actually sweep these lows out, these like high resistance liquidity lows that were, let me see, were this low resistance or high resistance? I don't even remember. We could have swept that shit out. But when I saw that this happened, I wanted to catch the reversal as I did yesterday. But what happened when we broke 1-minute structure to the upside, I wanted to wait for more confirmation. I wanted to see at least a gap being filled. At least. Because look at this, we inverse this gap to the downside. I thought that we are for sure going to sweep these lows out, and when we do, we are going to catch the reversal. We ended up not filling any gap after we broke 1-minute structure to the upside. That's what I wanted to see. Even though we filled this 1-minute gap. I know this could have been like a good trade, but I didn't really feel like taking it. I didn't really want to risk it because yesterday we made money. So why would I risk a bad trade when, let me put this shit real quick. Why would I have wanted to risk a bad trade when I knew I just had a winning day? No reason for that. And I also think that trade of 8 was like in maintenance or something today, so I don't even know if I could have gotten into a position. I didn't even try, but yeah. Well, second of all, we were bearish on the 5-minute. Like, up until the point we inverse this gap, we were bearish on the 5-minute on NQ, but this happened yesterday as well. We were bearish on the 5-minute on NQ, but we were bullish on ES, and we wanted to actually make a retrace. So yeah, I didn't really feel like actually risking this shit today again. Like, maybe if I saw these lows being swept out before we swept this last low, maybe I would have gotten into a position. But with how price moved, there was no fucking chance for me that I would have gotten into this position. So yeah, these were the two setups that I wanted to take today, and I won't lie to you, I would have took the shorts today if it wasn't so early into the market open, and if the risk reward would have been good. Like, if we would have made a retrace, maybe I would have took that shit. I'm not going to lie. But that's not what this is about. Well, yeah. This was my thought process. By the way, these two trades that I wanted to take, I called them out on stream. So if you want to watch me trading, I'm live trading every market open on kick.com/Marlow the best. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys there. Well, I think this was a important day for me because I'm exercising healthy habits. I'm not getting into dumb positions. I'm not getting into positions when the two indices aren't correlated. I'm not getting into positions that aren't worth taking. I'm not doing any of that dumb shit. So, yeah, at the end of the day, this is just a winning day for me because I done that. And by the way, if like any day that you don't take a trade, it is a winning day because you didn't lose any money. Why? Because you know you have to trade to you have to trade to live. You have to live to trade another day. That's what I want to say. So yeah, this was my trading day. I'm Marlo, and I'll see you guys into the next one. I love and appreciate all of you guys. I don't know what the fuck am I even like thinking about. I guess I'm tired or something. I will get some good ass sleep tonight. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.